Welcome to VIVED Volume, a high-quality DICOM visualization tool for medical imaging review in 3D. With VIVED Volume, both anatomists and medical doctors appreciate the ability to teach and work with high-fidelity scans in VR. In this video, we will walk through creating a volume from uncompressed DICOM libraries you have stored on your machine. This topic is covered in the user guide located in the lower left-hand corner, the help. Before we get started, it is important to understand what DICOM libraries are and why they need to be uncompressed. DICOM is the acronym for Digital Imaging and Communication in Medicine. It is the international standard for medical images and related information. It defines the formats for medical images that can be exchanged with the data and quality necessary for clinical use. For various technical and proprietary reasons, sometimes medical devices compress the DICOM files that make up the scan from the device. Currently, VIVED Volume cannot open compressed DICOM files. In fact, if you try to open compressed DICOM libraries, the application will lock up and you will have to close VIVED Volume. There are ways to decompress compressed libraries, but there is a significant loss in volume quality when decompressed DICOM libraries are used to create volumes. Now I'm ready to walk you through creating volumes using DICOM libraries you have stored on your machine. This process is very exciting when you use DICOM libraries from scans of your own body. You start by clicking the New Volume button on the Volumes panel. On the Create New Volume panel, you are required to name your new volume and navigate to the folder that contains the uncompressed DICOM files with file extension .dcm. I already navigated to a folder. As soon as you select the folder that contains your .dcm files, volume will determine if a volume can be created. Note, you may experience very noticeable performance issues if the folder contains more than 200 .dcm files, or if the folder is greater than 200 megabytes. Now, if a volume can be created, you will see a thumbnail image of the volume under Images Found on the Create Volume panel, right here. As soon as you see the thumbnail image, click the Create button. Your DICOM libraries will start to process. Again, note, you may experience very noticeable performance issues if the folder contains more than 200 .dcm files or the folder size is greater than 200 megabytes. Once your volume is processed, you will land back on the Volumes panel, and you should see a thumbnail image of your new volume. I'm going to cancel to save time. And here are a bunch of volumes that I created. And wow, now you can view your new volume and create guided activities from it, just like you can with demo volumes. Thank you for walking through creating a volume from an uncompressed DICOM library you have stored on your machine.